Alright everybody, Big Phil SINY. I got my Imac set up on my desk, I booted it up, everything's normal, you know, I didn't get any extras. It's got the 1 gig of video RAM, it's got 4 gigs of memory, it's got a 1 terabyte hard drive, it's the 3.4 gigahertz model. I just got it today, and why waste? I ordered 16 gigs of Corsair Mac memory, 16 gigs. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to put this in, and I'm going to put it in with the 4 gigs that it came with. So I'm going to have 20 gigs in total, 20 gigs of memory in my iMac. Let's see if it starts and runs and works normally. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to disconnect it, I'm going to unplug it, you're going to make sure it's powered off. Safety first. Power it off, you don't want to short anything out. Alright, let's do this. Now what I'm going to do is, I have a coat set up on top of my freezer. I'm going to lay it screen first on the coat, and then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take the memory cover off. Let me lift this up out of here. Again, this is the 27-inch iMac. Here is where you're going to access the memory. It has 4 gigs preloaded, two 2 gig sticks. I have 16 gigs of Corsair memory for my iMac. I just got it today. I do plan on doing some video editing with this Mac, so this is why I'm upgrading the memory. I'm going to stick the screwdriver here. There's 3 Phillips head screws. And I've never done this before, so please bear with me. I'm kind of nervous because I just got the Mac today, but we'll see what happens. Watch me lose these screws. Alright. The cover's almost off. Here's the cover for the memory. Like I said, I bought this at apple.com, this computer. I bought it as a refurb. I do have a video prior to this showing the unboxing of it. If you want to check it out, check it out. I'm going to put a link below this video for a link to the unboxing of this. Okay. Look, there's 4 slots here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 empty and there's 2 full. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to open my memory here. My Corsair 16 gigs. I'm going to enter it. Now I don't know if this computer is going to run with 20 gigs because it's not like an even amount. But we're going to find out because I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it back together. And I'm going to turn it on and see if it starts with the 20 gigs of memory. I never did this before. This is 1333 Corsair memory, DDR 1333. I can't see anything in there. Okay, you gotta pull this tab out. Okay, I see there's a keyhole in there. So you're going to insert this key to the right. You're going to pull this tab down and you're going to enter it. And then you're going to put the tab back over. I'll show you. I guess not. I don't know how hard I should be pushing. Like I said, I never did this before. I see it. I see the keyhole right there. That might be it. No, it's not going. Let's try this side. Alright, Big Phil SINY needs to look at the instructions here because I've never upgraded Mac memory before. Okay, the instructions aren't helping. Let me try this again. There you go. I got it in. I pushed it in. I didn't push too hard. I pushed it in. I jiggled it a little bit, but it did go in. Let's try this one. You should be wearing an anti-static band. Okay, that one went in. You're going to take this tab and you're going to put it over both memory slots. Okay? You're going to take your cover and you're going to put it back over it. Try and catch a couple threads on each one, just to make sure you have it lined up right. Just a couple threads on each slot should be good. And you're going to want to tighten it, but you're not going to want to gorilla it. You don't want to snap the screw or crack the casing on the Mac. Okay. That's done. Carry it back over to the desk. Like I said, this is the 27-inch version of the iMac. I think it's mid or late 2011, I'm sorry. I just went ahead and I put 16 gigs of Corsair Mac memory. I got it from Newegg.com, and I put it in on top of the 4 gigs of memory that the Mac comes standard with. And this is the first time I'm starting the Mac up with the 16 gigs plus the 4 gigs of memory. Let's see what happens. Pray for me. I feel I don't really want to do that all over again. So far, so good. Let me zoom the camera in a little bit so you can see the screen. That should be enough. Now I'm logging in. I already see a performance increase. I used it for about 10 minutes with the 4 gigs of memory. Now I have the 20 gigs of memory in here, and I already see a performance increase. Just starting it up, putting in my password, boom, 1, 2, 3, started right up. And I do have a mechanical hard drive in here, 1 terabyte mechanical. Eventually I will upgrade it to a SSD drive when I get some more money. Let's check the system specs. Okay, here it is. 3.4 gigahertz Intel Core i7. And we have 20 gigs of 1333 DDR3. Let me zoom in on that so you can see it. Can't tell if you could see that or not. Let me get up and see. Yeah, 20 gigs of 1333. Okay? Let me zoom this out. Once again, this is Big Phil, SIMY, my new Mac with 20 gigs of memory. Stick around, I'm probably going to do more videos. I don't know the Mac operating system. Like I said, I just got this today. And when I ordered it online on the Apple store, like I said, it's refurbished. I ordered it from apple.com. The same day I ordered the memory from newegg.com, the 16 gigs of memory. And like I said, I saw a significant increase. As soon as I typed my password in to log into the Apple operating system, I saw an increase immediately. I saw the difference immediately. So if you're hesitating on doing a memory upgrade, do it. And you don't have to buy the Apple memory from the Apple store. They just use any memory that's compatible, and they charge you a lot of money. And you can put it in yourself. If you have any questions about doing it, PM me. I'll tell you how to do it. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a good night.